Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make your cursor thicker. So if you think this cursor is really thin and you cannot see it properly, then let me show you how to make it thicker. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. From here, find vision enhancements, and now scroll down until you see cursor thickness. Tap on this. Now this is what your cursor will look like. So go ahead and play around with it. So go ahead and drag this to the right hand sign, or you can tap the plus sign or the minus sign. And at the top here, you'll see your cursor thickness change. If you're happy with it, leave it as it is, and then tap home, open your messages, and you can see that the cursor has now become thick. So there you go guys, that is how to make your text cursor thick on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.